The Nothing Phone 2 and Phone 2a are receiving the highly anticipated Nothing OS 3.0 update, which is built on Android 15. This release introduces a range of exciting features and enhancements, marking a significant leap forward for the London-based brand. The update is currently rolling out to users globally, with a phased rollout expected to reach all eligible devices by the end of 2024. In early 2025, the update will also be extended to other Nothing-branded smartphones, including the Phone 1, Phone 2a Plus, and CMF Phone 1. Notable highlights of Nothing OS 3.0 include the debut of the native Nothing Gallery app, which comes packed with advanced search capabilities, improved editing tools like filters and markup, and intelligent suggestions to streamline photo management. The update also introduces Shared Widgets, currently available exclusively across Nothing devices. This feature enables users to share photo widgets square format, with plans to expand support to additional widgets in the future. Another exciting addition is the Countdown widget, teased for release later this month via the Nothing Widgets app on Google Play. Additionally, the AI-powered Smart Drawer helps users automatically organize apps into categories, enhancing usability and efficiency. Performance improvements are a key aspect of the Nothing OS 3.0 update, with refined quick settings, an improved pop-up view, and enhanced typography, all contributing to a smoother and more visually appealing user experience. To install the update, users can head to Settings, System Update on their Phone 2 or Phone 2a. If the update is not available immediately, it should arrive within a few days. With this release, Nothing OS 3.0 sets the stage for an even more polished, feature-rich experience on Nothing devices, blending style and functionality in perfect harmony.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.